Hi, in this video we will show you how to install Opinew's product preview widget. Here's how to do it. Head to Widgets and click in Product Review widget. The Product Review widget is used for displaying the reviews of a certain product in your products page, and it's one of the main ways customers can leave reviews for your product. Here in this page, once installed, you will be able to have a preview of the widget. Clicking here and to customize it as you want. For example, here in General Information, you can choose between some review display layouts. For example, condensed, lean, minimal, modern, and carousel. You can also select between some languages and some other options. Customize the review widget as you want. In colors, you'll be able to choose between some colors for stars, verified badge colors, etc. And in fonts, you can change the font sizes for the navbar, review and questions, and some other. You will always be able to see your changes in the right hand side of this page, and when you're done, you can click on Save. Now, how to install? We have 4 installing options. The first option is to ask Opinew support to install this widget for you. Just click here and request install support, and the intercom window will open. There, you just need to ask one of our engineers to help you install the product review widget for your shop. The second option is to do it manually. To do that, click Install via Code Editor. Select Open, and then select the review widget. Here you have 2 options. You can click on Install Widget or Manual Installation. If you select Manual Installation, you will need to select the theme file you would like to add the code into. Then, copy the code and paste it into the desired place in your theme file. And press Save. Or if you choose Install Widget, click it, wait a few seconds, and now the widget should be installed. As you can see, it's hidden. So go back to this page and enable it. Now, if you go to your shop and select a product, the widget should show up like this. Now, the third installing option is to do it via Storefront 2.0. To do that, go to your Shopify admin page, select Online Store and Themes. Then, in your current theme, select Custom. Here, you need to make sure that in the bottom, in Theme Settings and App Embeds, the Opinew Global Code option is active. If so, go and select that page where the widget should be displaying, like here, and scroll down, and in Apps, you can choose between showing or not the widget, like this. Now, the final option is using page builders like Pagefly, Layout Hub, or Gem Pages. If you use one of them, follow the relevant tutorial in opinew.com/help-center and look for the page builder guide you currently use. For example, if you use Pagefly, you can type here Pagefly and select this Help Center article. Here, you will be able to see that Pagefly lets you use 5 of the Opinew review elements, like Review Widget, All-Store Reviews Widget, Product Review Stars, Collection Review Stars, and Average Store Review Badge. You just need to follow these steps, and at the end you will be able to use it. Now, if you use Gem Pages, type Gem Pages here, select this article. Same thing, You just need to follow the tutorial, and at the end you'll see that you will only need to repeat the process for any Opinew code. Finally, for Layout Hub, same process. Layout Hub, select this article. You can also use 5 of the Opinew review elements with Layout Hub, and you just need to follow this tutorial. And that's it. Those are the ways to install this widget. If after this you still have any problems, reach out to customer support and our engineers will assist you.